Hey there everyone, welcome back to Leaders Road. I am Will, and in today's video I want to walk you through the process of activating Google Authenticator within the CoinTech2u app. CoinTech2u app, which is in my opinion the #1 AI crypto trading system these days. I've been receiving some questions about this, so today you will see how we can integrate the Google Authenticator into our account. Before we dive into that, and if this is your first time here, welcome down. My name is Will. I'm constantly reviewing this type of projects, and if you want to find out how to generate profits in the DeFi space, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will appreciate your likes and your comments, and if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Also, if this is the first time that you heard about CoinTech2u app, let me give you a quick overview about this bot. CoinTech2u is an AI crypto trading platform that is consistently delivering exceptional results. I've been using this bot for over a month now. I must say this is a powerful tool that is going to help you to generate positive results in the crypto trading, regardless whether the market goes up or down. What is really cool about it is that all our hard-earned capital is going to stay safe in our Binance or inside our OKX account. They are not allowed to touch one single penny of our capital. That means we have full control over our funds, and we no longer have to worry about locking our crypto for a long term in shady platforms. And guess what? No more rug pulls. So we are always in charge, and the trading bot works its magic on our behalf because they are only going to place trades on our behalf. If you want more details about this, I have a full review. I put all the steps in one page for anyone who wants to follow it, and you will find the link down below in the description of this video. But now, let's focus on the main topic of this video: activating Google Authenticator within the CoinTech2u app. This is very important just to add an extra layer of security to your account. First, of course, you need to grab your phone and download the Google Authenticator if you don't have it yet. So do that first, and then come here to the CoinTech2u app. We're gonna click in User, and here in User, we're gonna click in Settings. Right below it says Google Secondary Verification Code. We're gonna click here. So here are the steps. First, we're gonna click in Send Code. You're gonna go to your email. They're gonna send you a code that you need to insert in this box. After that, we're gonna have two options to integrate the account to the authenticator. The first one is gonna be manually, or the easiest one is just by scanning this code. So it will look something like this. Inside the Google Authenticator, you will see this logo. Once you click there, it's gonna show you these options. The first one, if we click in this camera, it's going to activate the camera of your phone, and if you are using your computer, you can go back to your computer, scan that code, then you're going to be adding the integration to your list. It's going to give you a number, and you're going to put that number right here, and then you click in binding. If you are doing it manually, what we are going to do is this. We're going to click in the second option, enter a setup key, then it's going to open a window just like this one. You can give it a name, CoinTech2u. And right here in key, we're gonna paste this key. We're gonna paste it there, and then we add it. Copy the number, go back to the app, paste it here, and click in binding. So let's do this. We need to do it fast because we only have this time. It's gonna give me 1 minute. I need to go to my email. I'm gonna paste it here. We can just simply scan the code. Now we type here the code that we have and click in binding. Another reason why we need to do this is because, remember, this bot doesn't have access to our capital, but you will have the chance to collect some commissions inside the wallet. So if you want to withdraw those commissions, you have to use now the Google Authenticator. I'm explaining how that works inside the guide. Let me show you real quick here in the withdraw page. Now we are obliged to use the Google Authenticator code. Well guys, that's all the information that I have for you today. I hope this was helpful to you. If that's so, I will appreciate your likes and your comments down below. This will help me to put this information out there, and probably we can help someone else to find this project too. Before we go, and if you haven't subscribed yet, it will be my pleasure to have you around. So please subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Remember, if you want to check this project, how to get started, the guide is down below the description of this video. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.